Have you ever wondered why some guys seem to effortlessly attract women while others struggle to even get noticed? What if I told you that most of us are playing the dating game all wrong, and it's not your fault? From ancient mating rituals to modern-day social media dynamics, there's a pattern that both humans and animals follow, and the truth about why women always seem to have the upper hand will blow your mind. But here's the twist. There's a way to flip the script, to break free from the usual guy chases girl dynamic and become the one in control. In this video, I'm not just going to explain what's really happening behind the scenes. I'm going to give you actionable strategies to raise your standards, stand out from the crowd, and turn the tables in your favor. Trust me, by the time you reach the end of this video, you'll have a brand new perspective on relationships, and you'll know exactly what it takes to attract the kind of woman you truly deserve. So stay tuned, because what I'm about to reveal could completely change the way you approach dating and your life forever. 1. The mating ritual and why women choose. For centuries, humans and animals have participated in what we call the mating ritual. Interestingly, the patterns are strikingly similar between the two. In nature, males often perform elaborate displays to attract females. From peacocks showing off their feathers to lions asserting dominance, the goal is the same: to prove they're the best choice. In human relationships, the dynamic isn't all that different. The male often puts on his own version of a show, whether it's flexing on social media, flaunting his achievements, or simply trying to be the funniest or most charming in the room. Meanwhile, the woman evaluates him, deciding if he's worth her time and attention. But why does the female hold the power in this decision? The answer lies in biology and societal conditioning. Women, especially attractive ones, are used to receiving attention. From a young age, they're groomed to see themselves as the prize. Men, on the other hand, are conditioned to compete, to prove their worth through actions, words, and sometimes desperation. This creates a scenario where women are better prepared for the attention they receive, while men are often left scrambling to impress. The real challenge, however, is to break out of this dynamic. To flip the script, men need to stop chasing and start evaluating. But how do you do that? Let's move on to the next point to find out. 2. Why men lose power in the dating game. One of the biggest mistakes men make in the dating game is giving away their power too quickly. Think about it. When you show too much interest too soon, you're essentially telling the woman that she already has you in the bag. This puts her in control and leaves you at her mercy. Take social media as an example. Scroll through the comments under any photo of an attractive woman. You'll see countless guys throwing compliments like queen, goddess, or marry me. Sure, it might seem harmless, but it's incredibly predictable, and predictability is the enemy of attraction. Women are used to this kind of attention. They expect it. And when you act like every other guy, you blend in with the crowd. On the flip side, when a high-value man steps in and acts differently, he captures her attention in a way that leaves her questioning her assumptions. The key is to resist the urge to chase. Instead, focus on yourself and raise your own value. When you stop prioritizing looks and start valuing traits like personality, compatibility, and shared interests, you naturally stand out. Women notice when a man isn't desperate for their attention, and that confidence can be incredibly attractive. So, how do you take back control? It starts with raising your standards, which brings us to the next point. 3. Raise your standards beyond looks. Let's be real. Most men judge women based on physical appearance. It's common to hear guys rating women on a scale of 1 to 10, or debating whether they're a butt guy or a breast guy. But this shallow approach to attraction is one of the biggest reasons why men struggle in the dating world. Sure, physical attraction is important, but it shouldn't be the only factor. Think about your hobbies or interests. If you're into cars, computers, or camping, do you settle for just anything? Would you buy the cheapest gear or the first option you see? Probably not. You have preferences and standards that guide your choices. The same logic applies to dating. When you raise your standards and start looking beyond physical beauty, you'll find women who align with your values and interests. This not only reduces the chances of drama, but also increases the likelihood of a fulfilling long-term connection. As you gain more experience, you'll start noticing patterns in different types of women. You'll learn to identify red flags and qualities that don't align with your preferences. More importantly, you'll gain a deeper understanding of what you truly want in a partner. By setting clear criteria for what you're looking for, you take control of the dating process. Instead of being the one judged, you become the one doing the judging. This flips the script entirely and puts you in a position of power. 4. How to flip the script and stand out. If you want to stand out in the dating world, you need to stop playing by the same old rules. Instead of trying to impress her, focus on whether she impresses you. Ask yourself, does she meet the standards you've set for a potential partner? Start by creating a mental checklist of traits you're looking for. Maybe you want someone who's adventurous, loves the outdoors, or shares your passion for fitness. Whatever your preferences are, make sure they align with your values and lifestyle. When you meet someone new, use your checklist as a guide. If she checks enough boxes, great. If not, don't be afraid to walk away. This approach not only protects you from settling for the wrong person, but also signals to women that you're confident and selective, a rare combination that instantly makes you more attractive. Remember, women are used to being the ones who choose. By flipping the script and evaluating them instead, you break the mold. This creates a dynamic where she starts questioning whether she's good enough for you. It's not about playing games or being manipulative. It's about knowing your worth and refusing to settle for less. When you raise your standards and approach dating with confidence, you naturally attract the kind of women who respect and value you for who you are. 5. Avoiding desperation. Why patience is key. Desperation is one of the biggest turn-offs in the dating game. When you come across as overly eager, it sends a message that you're willing to settle for anyone who gives you attention. This not only diminishes your perceived value, but also places all the power in her hands. Think about it. If you're constantly chasing, texting, or trying too hard to win her approval, you're signaling that you're not confident in yourself or your worth. Women are naturally drawn to men who are patient and self-assured. Patience shows that you have options and are in no rush to settle for anything less than what you deserve. To practice patience, focus on yourself first. Develop your hobbies, career, and personal goals. The more fulfilled you are as an individual, the less likely you'll feel the need to chase after anyone. This self-assurance naturally makes you more attractive and gives you the leverage to evaluate potential partners objectively. Remember, being patient doesn't mean being passive. It's about knowing when to step forward and when to step back. Play the long game, and you'll find that the right connections come naturally without the need to force them. 6. The power of emotional connection. Physical attraction might catch someone's eye, but it's emotional connection that keeps them interested. Too many men overlook this aspect, focusing solely on appearance or surface-level traits. However, building an emotional connection is where real attraction lies. Start by engaging in meaningful conversations. Instead of sticking to small talk, ask thought-provoking questions that reveal her values, dreams, and passions. Pay attention to her answers and show genuine interest in who she is beyond her looks. When you focus on emotional compatibility, you'll discover deeper connections that go beyond the superficial. This not only helps you stand out, but also ensures that the relationship has a solid foundation. Women remember men who make them feel seen, understood, and valued on an emotional level. Building emotional connection doesn't mean oversharing or trying to solve all her problems. It's about listening, empathizing, and creating a safe space where she feels comfortable being herself. When you master this, you elevate yourself from just another guy to someone truly memorable. 7. The importance of mystery and unpredictability. One of the reasons many men struggle in dating is because they're too predictable. Predictability makes you boring, and boredom is the enemy of attraction. Women are naturally intrigued by men who keep them guessing, not by playing games, but by maintaining a sense of mystery. You don't need to reveal everything about yourself right away. Leave room for her to get to know you over time. Share your stories, interests, and opinions gradually, and let her discover new layers of your personality. This creates a sense of intrigue and keeps the interaction exciting. Unpredictability also extends to how you spend time together. Instead of sticking to the usual dinner and movie routine, try unique and unexpected activities. Explore a new hobby, take a spontaneous trip, or challenge her to something fun and competitive. These experiences create lasting memories and set you apart from the crowd. Remember, mystery and unpredictability are about keeping things fresh and exciting. When she never quite knows what to expect, she'll stay curious and engaged, which deepens her attraction to you. By now, you've seen how flipping the script, raising your standards, and focusing on what truly matters can transform the way you approach relationships. From avoiding desperation to building emotional connections and keeping things unpredictable, these strategies aren't just about attracting the right woman, they're about becoming the best version of yourself. So the next time you step into the dating world, remember, you're not here to compete for attention or settle for less. You're here to choose, to lead, and to build something meaningful. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more game-changing insights. And I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below about what resonated with you most or what challenges you're facing. Until next time, keep growing, stay confident, and always raise your standards.